kids! I am Bob the Train. Let's meet the alphabet transport vehicles today. A is for aeroplane that flies in the sky so high. B is for bus on the road. You can see it passing by. C is your family car. When you honk, it goes parp, parp. D is for dirt bike. Don't ride it in the dark. Takes us up and down. F is for forklift. It can pick things off the ground. G is for garbage truck. It goes all around the town. H is for helicopter. It lifts straight up from the ground. For ice cream truck. It goes ding-a-ling, ding-ding. J is for jumbo jet. It's huge, it flies like the wind. K is for kayak. You need to row and row. L is for lorry. It's so big and strong. Motorcycle. It goes vroom, 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 vroom. N is for Navy ship. It's got such a lot of room. O is for oil tanker, riding on the tides. P is a tiny pram that babies love to ride. A quad bike. It's cool to ride out far. R is for rocket ship. It can fly right to the stars. S is a submarine that can go to the deepest parts. T is a long, long train. It's so long from end to start. U Zeppelin. You'll love to ride it in the sky. Wasn't that fun, kids? Riding all the alphabet transport vehicles. See you again soon with Bob the Train. Hey kids, let's visit the zoo with Bob the Train. Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. And in the zoo he met a lion, E-I-E-I-O. With a roar, roar here and a roar, roar there. Here a roar, there a roar, everywhere a roar, roar. Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. Look over there! It's an elephant! Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. And in the zoo he met an elephant, E-I-E-I-O. With a trumpet, trumpet here and a trumpet, trumpet there. Here a trumpet, there a trumpet, everywhere a trumpet, trumpet. Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. What's over there? It's a horse! Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. And in the zoo he met a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. Over there! It's a bear! Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. And in the zoo he met a bear, E-I-E-I-O. With a growl, growl here and a growl, growl there. Here a growl, there a growl, everywhere a growl, growl. Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. What's that we hear? Ah, it's a gaggle of geese! Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. And in the zoo he met some geese, E-I-E-I-O. With a honk, honk here and a honk, honk there. Here a honk, there a honk, everywhere a honk, honk. Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. Look! Up in the trees! It's monkeys! Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. And in the zoo he met some monkeys, E-I-E-I-O. With an ooh-ah here and an ooh-ah there. Here an ooh, there an ah, everywhere an ooh-ah. Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. What's that? It's a bunch of frogs! Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. And in the zoo he met some frogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a ribbit, ribbit here and a ribbit, ribbit there. Here a ribbit, there a ribbit, everywhere a ribbit, ribbit. Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. Wasn't that fun? See you again soon with Bob the Train.